All right, getting ready to start. Say goodbye.
Have a good trip, old man.
Thanks. Greetings. Welcome to day 23. This is Chase Life. I'm Chase. We're back on trail. A little out of breath. Definitely not used to this because we took a few weeks off. Get some work done around the house and do some stuff that needed to get done. Take care of some things that needed taken care of. So we're back on trail again for the final push. All things going well, I hope. We will finish this thing. We have 435 miles from McAfee Knob down to Hot Springs, North Carolina. So we just left McAfee Knob. I know I call it McAfee a lot. We just left McAfee Knob parking area, heading south. I think we're going to Virginia 624 and then to the Pines Hostel. It's a relatively pretty short, but then we knew with today being 5-hour drive that we didn't want to go too far. So it's a little under 7 miles, I think, and that'll be the day. Yeah, so I want to give a shout out to Daniel. We had a number of plans on getting back here. The latest one that we kept switching things around now that my wife is in California, and was my daughter was going to drive me with her Volvo. But yeah, a couple days ago, the clutch or the compressor on her air conditioning seized up through a fan belt, and car's not drivable right now, and I don't have time to fix it. And then there's my van, and Thursday night, well, 3 nights ago, we developed a zero oil pressure at idle system situation. So not good. So I have 2 cars in California, but that's not helping me. The 2 cars here in Tennessee are not drivable. So I had no way of getting to the trail. I considered renting a car and all that, but Daniel stepped up and offered to drive me, which, you know, is 5 hours to and 5 hours from. It's 10 hours. That's his whole day. That's something. So it is not gone without appreciation from me. I mean, that's a huge thing. Appreciate it. Thank you, Daniel. We're about 2/3 of the way. I don't know, 3.3 miles or something like that on this trail, and finished most of the ups. It's been something like 1,600 feet up or something like that. It is warm. It got warm. It got up to 80 degrees. But we've been pretty lucky. I mean, a lot of the drive here, the 5-hour drive, was through rainstorms. We got here, and right when we're pulling pretty much into the trailhead, it opened up and it turned into a rainstorm. It only lasted like 3 or 4 minutes, and so I got out of the car, put my pack on. It was dry, and it's been dry and nice ever since. We've had some blue skies, and right now we're cloudy again. Anyways, yeah, it's just not much to see on the trail. It's a nice trail. It's been fine. It's mostly a ridge, and you can see through the trees quite a ways on both sides. But yeah, not much to see or do, or it's been a trail. So nothing. I think especially in this area, it seems kind of dry, and I don't see any flowers and not much mushrooms, and I haven't seen any wildlife, so other than bugs. It's been pretty buggy. That's kind of the status of things right now. We've reached a meadow, which is, for a lot of the AT, an unusual thing. You know, hiking through woods and forest and that kind of thing. Green tunnels. That's kind of cool. We've been walking along Catawba, I think it's how you pronounce it, Creek. And now we cross over it. We're heading to 624, so it's 1.7 miles. It looks like the trail's gonna go right back up that meadow. Cool. That was tight.